Let's talk about an emergency. And I'm going to go back to a K-12 application. The emergency coordinator of a K-12 district has to manage maybe tens, maybe hundreds, maybe even thousands of facilities and do that in emergency situations. Right now, systems that are based on individual schools, which is most systems out there, they're really out on an island. Emergency action plans that we see have a lot of manual processes. So if a school goes into a lockdown, in order to notify the district that that's occurred, it requires somebody to go to a telephone and dial the district office and tell someone there that they've gone into lockdown. Well, what happens if you get a voicemail? What happens if you misdial because of the situation that's going on at that school? It's prone to a lot of issues. So the situation may be completely over before the district office even knows about it. With VEMASS, if a facility goes into lockdown, the district administration is immediately notified